Hi, this is Floyd. I recently purchased a 3D printer, and what I'd like to do is share my thoughts on it. I've been happy with being able to 3D print. I've been happy with the 3D printer after I made some upgrades to it, and now one of the upgrades was because the first print bed that it shipped with was warped pretty bad, and I have it right here. As you can see, I've got the straight edge on it to show you what's going on. You can see quite a bit of light under there. And then if I go to the other corner, see quite a bit of light under that corner too. This means in order to continue with this one, I would have to severely limit where I could print with. And well, the good news is that their support was willing to send me a replacement for free. The bad news on two fronts. First off, it took about 3.5 weeks for it to arrive. 3.5 weeks. I order a printer and the print bed is warped. That's pretty disappointing already, but to wait another 3.5 weeks for something to arrive on top of that, once again, look at that. My old pal, Warpage is here. Creality, get with the program. Up your quality assurance game. This is ridiculous. 2 warp beds in a row. People are paying good money for this, and it's almost like you don't care. Come on. Anyway, since I was already planning on upgrading the print bed to begin with, I ordered one from Gulf Coast Robotics. And, it arrived at about the same time because they were experiencing a shortage for whatever reason, I don't know. Just glad it arrived. And this one is much better because, let me show you. Put that on there and look at that. Almost no light comes under there. Check the other corner to corner. And once again, look at that. Beautiful. And while I was at it, I also upgraded this rail here. And upgrading this rail has been definitely worthwhile because now the motion is smooth. Before, the wheels that it came with for that rail, oops, where did I put them? Yeah, anyway, they're the same, these wheels here, and before when I would move it would go ka-thump, ka-thump, ka-thump. Might have been my fault because I over tightened them at first, so I probably deformed when it happened. And when I did order the upgrades from Gulf Coast Robotics, the first time they sent me the wrong rail. And this one, way too long. I'll set it up here just to show you that it is definitely much longer than this aluminum bar that it was supposed to sit on. The good news is I reported it, sent them a picture and showed them. And 2 to 3 days later, I had the proper replacement. So Gulf Coast Robotics is excellent when it comes to supporting their customers. And I've been doing some printing, been happy with this this heated bed. Been happy with the rail. Heated bed heats for up to 40 degrees, fairly rapid. 80 degrees, a little bit slower than the hot end, but that's not the big deal. Overall, the prints I've been getting with this printer, I've been happy with them for the most part. So if you ever do think about getting the Ender 3, just plan on upgrading soon after you get it, or even just right out the gate, order a new heated bed, because if your heat bed is not warped, I've seen reports that they will warp from just normal use. So Creality just needs to up their game when it comes to their heated bed. Perhaps maybe they should contract with a third party and just have them make the heated bed, because what comes with it is just not worth sending. On the other hand, my opinion of Gulf Coast Robotics heated bed, excellent. Gulf Coast Robotics is a company, my opinion of them, excellent. Anyway, this is Floyd. I'm out of here. If you like, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and have a good day.